Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Unscrew the lamp cover. Then remove it. Remove the two outer screws securing the bulb using a screwdriver with a Torx 25 bit or flathead screwdriver. Close the car trunk. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the two screws on the bulb holding the bracket. Then remove it. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Carefully position the bulb holding plate, then tighten the two screws. Plug the electrical connector back together. To reinstall the light in its slot, make sure to reinsert the guides into the plastic lugs. Open the trunk. Screw the two holding screws back on the headlight housing. Reinstall the fire protection cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.